Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a super quick unboxing and installation of a screen protector for the display in my Kia Sonet. I actually got this from Amazon and I'll make sure to drop this link down in my description below if you want to check out for yourself. It's a great deal. It costed around 250. So I'm just cutting open the standard Amazon package here. Inside we have the Wisely auto display protector, which is specifically cut for the Sonet 10.25-inch setup. First thing first, let's peel off the old scratchy factory plastic that came with the car, and that feel is always so satisfying to peel the old covers, bubble wrapping package covers. Feels one kind of soothing and satisfaction. But before we put the new protector on, we have to prep the screen. The kit comes with a little green dust observer sticker, so I'm just doing the dab that all over the display to pick up any loose lint or dust. After that, we are going to wipe it, give the solid screen. Actually, they have provided the wet tissue as well in that package. And following that, we also have the dry wipes, so there is absolutely no streaks or moistures left behind. Now for the fun part, I'm taking the main protector out of its sleeve, peeling off the backing and just very carefully lining it up with the edges of infotainment screen. Once it's lightly in place, I'm using the little cardboard squeeze that includes to smooth it all out and push any of those annoying air bubbles straight to the edges. So we can fix it properly here. So for now it's set correctly for this size, but we aren't done yet. This kit also comes with a second protector specifically for the climate control panel below. It's the exact same drill. Hit it with a wet wipe, dry it off, and then carefully align the cutouts around the buttons and dials. Another quick pass with squeeze. It's looking seamless. Let's turn the car on to test it out. As you see, the display is still super crisp. There is no glare and the touch response is flawless. I'm just giving everything a final polish with a microfiber cloth to make it look showroom ready. Honestly, for around 250 bucks on Amazon, this is an absolute must have to keep your car's screen looking brand new and scratch free. Like I said, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll catch up with the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.